All right, let's dive right in. Welcome back, focused learners, to today's explainer. If you've ever felt like your Kodi setup is kind of just scratching the surface of what's actually possible, you are in exactly the right place. Today, I'm handing you the ultimate treasure map. We're going to unlock Kodi's true potential by exploring the 10 absolute best Kodi repositories for 2026. And of course, we've got a foolproof installation guide to get them running flawlessly. So let's get started. Here is our roadmap for today. We'll start with the basics in Section 1, run through a super important privacy check in Section 2, and then walk through a step-by-step installation guide in Section 3. After that, we'll crack open those top repositories for 2026 in Section 4, and finally, wrap things up with some essential FAQs. So, Section 1. What are Kodi repositories? Or, as I like to think of them, the treasure chests of content. Think of a brand new Kodi install as this massive, beautiful, but totally empty vessel. To actually fill it up with the movies, utilities, and sleek skins you want, you need a Kodi repository. It's essentially a storage hub. It hosts multiple add-ons and sometimes even full builds, acting as the primary source where you install these components onto your device. Simply put, you really can't get the cool add-ons without first connecting to the hub that stores them. Now, this is a distinction that trips up a lot of people, but it's super important. The repository is the storage hub itself. It's the warehouse containing a wide selection of tools. The add-on, on the other hand, is the specific app or tool you actually download from that warehouse, like a video player or a maintenance utility. Basically, you install the repository once, and then you can just pull whatever add-ons you need from it whenever you want. All right, Section 2, the privacy pre-check. This is where we armor up before the quest. Look, before we go hunting for loot and opening these treasure chests, we absolutely have to protect ourselves. The reality of streaming these days is that ISPs, hackers, and other third parties worldwide can and do monitor online activities. Your IP address is completely visible to the sites you visit. So to ensure your security, maintain your privacy, and actually get smooth streaming, you need to encrypt your traffic and mask that IP address. Our source material points out that a reliable VPN is really the way to do this. ExpressVPN comes highly recommended here. It's incredibly fast, super secure, works flawlessly on devices like the Fire TV stick, and offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. It's really just a foundational step for protecting yourself online before we start tinkering. Moving on to Section 3, the step-by-step installation guide. Here is your treasure map. Okay, the full installation process usually takes about 15 steps, which I know sounds kind of intimidating, but we've chunked it down into 3 really manageable phases. Here's Phase 1. This is all about prepping Kodi to accept outside files. You're going to open your settings, just click that familiar cog symbol, navigate over to System, and select Add-ons. The crucial part is Step 4. You have to switch on Unknown Sources. A warning will pop up, just click Yes to consent. That simply gives Kodi permission to accept the new storage hubs we're about to add. Now for Phase 2. This is where we build the actual connection to the repository by telling Kodi exactly where on the web it needs to look. Head back to Settings and click File Manager, then Add Source. Click right where it says None, and this is where you type in the exact URL of the repository you want. For example, typing https://slyguy.xyz points Kodi straight to the SlyGuy hub. Give it a memorable name, like SlyGuy, click OK, and boom, Phase 2 is done. And finally, Phase 3. Go back to Settings, click Add-ons, and this time select Install from Zip File. You'll see that memorable name you just created. Go ahead and click it. Then, simply select the zip file inside, something like repository.slyguy.zip. It'll start downloading in the background. Once you see that notification pop up in the corner, congratulations, you've successfully cracked the chest and installed your repository. Which brings us to Section 4, Top Repositories for 2026. Let's crack open the loot.
Now that you've mastered the installation map, check out this curated list of heavy hitters. What's awesome is that they cater to completely different needs. You've got SlyGuy, which is an absolute beast for legal, premium streaming. Then there's Diggs, a total powerhouse if you want to change the look and feel of Kodi, featuring up to 20 different program add-ons. And of course, you can't ignore the official Kodi repository. It actually comes pre-installed and is packed with completely verified add-ons, like Google Drive and IPCV Manager.
Just to shine a quick spotlight on SlyGuy, this is your go-to for official streaming services. We're talking add-ons for HBO Max, Disney+, ESPN, Hulu, Paramount+, the whole shebang. Now, you will need your actual paid subscriptions to use them, but that's what makes SlyGuy the premier destination for safe,
high-quality, fully legal streaming right inside your Kodi setup.
But hey, what if you want to keep your system running beautifully under the hood? You're going to need some utility and maintenance superpowers. The Octopus repository gives you Easy Maintenance Plus, which is amazing for clearing your cache and handling backups. The interestingly named Ju, or Ju BMX repository, is super lightweight and hosts Kcleaner, perfect for wiping out those annoying temporary files. And Southpaw? That's your brute force tool. It gives you add-ons like Force Close and Force Refresh Kodi, which are absolutely essential when things get stuck.
Now, if you want to completely transform the vibe of your media center, check out these customizers. The A4K Subtitles repo is a total must-have for pulling in multiple languages from sources like Open Subtitles. Kman Wizard will literally change how your Kodi looks with over 15 distinct skins. We're talking Metropolis, Bellow 9, they look incredible. Castignate is famously the home for the official Netflix add-on. The crew offers cool little touches like GUI sounds and database maintenance. And the Magnetic repo gives you the Magnetic Wizard for installing massive custom builds, plus staples like YouTube. The customization potential here is honestly staggering.
Finally, Section 5, Essential Questions Answered. Let's hit some FAQs.
Okay, we've showcased an amazing amount of loot today, but let's clear up a few final vital questions. Number 1, and people ask this all the time, are all Kodi repositories actually safe to use?
Well, the honest answer is not exactly. Not all of them are equally safe. Official repositories, like the one from Team Kodi, are thoroughly verified and totally fine. But third-party repositories, the ones created by independent developers, they can really vary in reliability. The golden rule here? Always use trusted sources. Avoid repositories known for hosting sketchy, unverified streaming add-ons. Just do a little due diligence to protect your device.
All right, here's another one that often trips up new users. Can I actually install multiple repositories on Kodi at the same time?
Oh, absolutely. Yes, you are in no way limited to just one. You can install as many as you like. By layering these different storage hubs together, like, say, SlyGuy for your legal streams, Seaman for your visual skins, and Octopus for your maintenance, you create this incredibly robust, virtually limitless media center.